baby big. Must be like a man in a suit. Hello.
Hello. This is a sun bear and moon bears, and they are really freaking cute. They've been saved from hunting. Poachers. Is that right? Well, that's the same thing, isn't it? Poached eggs.
Poached eggs. That's a big poached egg.
I think you can talk a bit, don't you? There's more.
Yeah, you can't swim in those ones.
This is very, very pretty. I regret it.
Oh.
I haven't got my phone out, so you get pictures.
They're fun though.
Oh, it's taken me about a year and a half to get this.
Good thoughts on water.
I love it. So pretty.
What's it called? Amazing. I don't think the camera does it justice. We are in Laos now. Lao Shun. We're in Luang, Prabang. Got it yesterday on a 2-day slow boat. And now we're at Kuang Waterfall. Cost £1 to get in. That's probably the best waterfall I've ever seen. Oh, views like this. So nice. And at the start of the waterfall is a bear sanctuary. They rescue bears from poaching. They take their bile out and use it for medicine. £1.
The limestone is what makes it so blue. The water.
Fish man. So many fish.
I'm about to go and swim in this absolute blue limestone pool.
I'm gonna go and swim and fucking enjoy myself.
You know why it's so blue? Falls down, goes on limestone, and it makes it really bloody blue. And I love the colour blue. Pan out. Woo! Do a flip! There's a shark in these waters. Stop it! Dek, Mama mau di sini, Dek.
Merci.